The terminal ray of an angle in standard position intersects the unit circle at the point with coordinates AB. The terminal ray of another angle in standard position intersects the circle at point CD. But if the measure of the second angle is double the measure, express the coordinates C and D in terms of A and B. So let's not draw an entire unit circle. Let's draw just a quarter of it. All right, let's call you A, B. And that's created by this radius with a terminal ray of theta. CD is going to be double that, so somewhere up here. CD is going to be double that, so somewhere up here. Perfect line. And that whole thing is going to be 2 theta. Okay? That's going to be 2 theta. So AB. If I'm thinking unit circle thoughts, usually that's x, y, and we say that x is cosine and y is sine. Same idea. Okay, A is going to be cos theta, and B is going to be sine theta. CD is going to be the same exact thing, but instead of theta, it's going to be cos 2 theta and sine 2 theta. Now what I have is I have double angle formulas. So let's turn these into what they're supposed to look like. Cosine's double angle formula is cos squared minus sine squared. So you become cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. And sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Now, how is this going to be me turning A and B into C's and D's? Well, C and D is this now. If I called A cos theta, then I can replace every cos theta with A. So CD is A squared minus, if I called B sine theta, then every sine theta is going to be B, so B squared. So 2 sine theta is 2B, or not, and cos theta is A. So CD can be rewritten as A squared minus B squared and 2AB or BA. It all depends on if you like ripped stomach muscles or sheep. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.